The diagram shows an isosceles triangle XYZ, and I'm told that XZ is equal to YZ. So X to Z is equal to Y to Z. So this side here is equal to that side there. So I'll mark that on like that, which also means that this angle here is going to be equal to this angle here because the base angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. I'm told that M is the midpoint of XZ, so this is the middle of this line, so that tells me that this is going to be equal to this, and N is the midpoint of YZ, so this is the midpoint of here, so that tells me that this is going to be equal to this, so therefore I also know actually that this is going to be equal to this, and that's equal to that. Prove that triangle XMY, so this triangle here, is congruent to triangle YNX. So I'm just going to mark those on these two triangles just so it's a bit clearer what we're trying to do. So X to M to Y. So that's one triangle. And the other triangle, I'll put in red, is this one. Okay, so remember with congruency questions, there's 4 different ways you can do it. You can do SSS, prove that all the sides are the same. You can do SAS, prove that 2 sides and the angle in the middle are the same. ASA, 2 angles and the side in the middle are the same. And right angle hypotenuse side. Obviously we've not got a right angle here, so we're not going to use that one. Now remember that I said that the base angles in this isosceles triangle are the same. So therefore I know that this angle here is equal to this angle here. So I've already proved that this angle and this angle are the same in both triangles. So let me write this down. I can say MXY, angle MXY equals angle NYX because base angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. I know that XY, this side here, is in the green triangle and it's in the red triangle. So side XY is common. So far I've already explained why this angle and that side are the same in both triangles. If I can just now talk about this side here and this side here, then and show that they're the same, then I will have done side angle side, side angle side, and I will have explained and shown that these two triangles are congruent. And actually I've already said this once in the video so far, MX does equal NY. MX equals NY because M and N are the midpoints of X, Z and YZ, which are equal. So if these are both the midpoints of 2 sides that are equal, then that must mean that these 2 are equal. And there we go, we've done it. We've shown that this side is common in both of them. I've shown that this angle is the same in both of them. And I've shown that this side here and this side here are the same. So side angle side, side angle side. So triangles congruent by side angle side. It's not the only way of doing that question, but that's, I think, the way I would approach it.